So we're standing in the original warehouse where we started the lift kit company in, and this is a garden shed attached to a rental property that I owned. And if the most amazing thing to me is in the first 12 months when we came up with the leveling kit, we had the F-150 kit, the Chevy 1500, Chevy 2500. We sold $500,000 out of this 16-foot by 16-foot shed in the first 12 months. It was enough that we could go buy a real building, but we were here in 256 square feet of unair conditioned space in 2004 in the summer. And what's funny to me is we have notes here and we're still selling to these people, which is so cool. You know, so many years later, 19 years. It's the last day I get to be here. I've sold the property today. I've signed all the papers. This is the last clean out and we're done. But this is some good memories. And you can read what the stuff I wrote. There's always something to do. If you're still reading this, go back to work. So, goodbye warehouse, garden shed, whatever you are. So here was our first office. This is a 330 square foot guest house. We had 5 people working out of here at one point, believe it or not, to support the gigantic 256 square foot garden shed that we were shipping. And if you can imagine, a UPS truck would back up every day through this gate to pick up the orders. Fun story, we got a whole bunch of leaf springs and U-bolts in one time and realized when the truck got here, we had no forklift, no way to unload it. We hand bombed it right here in the driveway and carried everything in there by hand in the middle of the hot summer day. It was just awful. So, and now it's done, sold.